What if I told you you can build an entire website which looks purely professional in just less than 2 minutes with a single prompt with AI? Yes, that's true. My name is Sudhakar and I'm a digital marketing expert at LeadSynclink, your best digital marketing agency. Now I'm gonna show exactly how to do that. First, head towards Google and type in Vedic AI. Then click on the first URL link which comes in the browser. Then you'll end up in this dashboard. I really want to test this particular AI dashboard, so I have a prompt ready. I'll quickly copy the prompt and then I'll paste it over here and then go. Now all you need to do is do some chat with the AI. So it's asking me whether I'm building it for myself or company or clients or just checking. I'll say myself. Now, is it marketing, educational, user research? I'll go for marketing. I'm the director. Yes, I have. Awesome. I got all the basics info jotted down. Now let's create the website. Now I would like to create something like Studio official website. Creative Nexus, English. So I have my home page, services, welcome message, services, call to action, client testimonial, and contact us. That's good. I'm really having fun with this. Wow, we made our website. It's trendy. Not bad, right? Okay. You know what? For a new business, which is a small business, this is more than more enough, This gets the thing running. And if you want, okay, this is the mobile interface. That looks cool. You can even check how it looks on a mobile and desktop. That's perfect. And chat to edit. And guys, you can also change the theme colors to whatever you like. And if you want to publish this, you have the Vedic subdomain, but obviously we're going to go with connecting it our own domain and then publish it. That's it. It's so simple. If you really found this video useful, please like, share, subscribe, and repost this to your friends and the teammates so it helps me motivated and create some more videos such as this. So please look forward for more videos from LeadSynclink. See you guys in the next video. Take care.